Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic noodles. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. Over here I have 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then I also have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is optional. If you don't like your pasta on the sweeter side, then you don't have to add the brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 8 garlic cloves that I've minced, half a stick of salted butter or 4 tablespoons, and then about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 6 ounces of Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to be using about 12 ounces of this linguine pasta, or you can use any pasta that you like. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to heat up my pan and I'm going to melt my butter. So I'm going to melt it until it starts to brown just a little bit. And once the butter has melted and started to brown a little bit, now I'm mixing in my 8 minced garlic cloves. And then I'm also going to be mixing in my 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. And after about a minute or two of mixing in the garlic cloves and the garlic salt, now I'm going to go ahead and add the oyster sauce. And I'm going to be reducing the heat to a medium to low heat once adding the oyster sauce. And I'm just going to cook this together for a few minutes, and then I'm going to be adding the brown sugar. Now the brown sugar is optional, so if you don't like your noodles to be sweet, don't add the brown sugar. If you like it to be super sweet, you can add about 1.5 tablespoons of the sugar, but I like to add 1 tablespoon. I think it's just perfect like that. And after mixing in the sugar, now I'm going to go ahead and add my noodles to the sauce. And I went ahead and pre-cooked my noodles according to the package. So I just cooked it according to package. You can use whatever kind of noodles that you like. I'm using linguine, and I'm just going to make sure that I completely coat it with the sauce, and then I'll be adding the Parmesan cheese. All right, and now that my noodles are completely coated with the sauce, I'm going to go ahead and add the 6 ounces of Parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to mix that in. All right, and that is the final result of these garlic noodles. It's super simple. I'm just going to go ahead and top it off with a little more Parmesan cheese. A little extra cheese never hurts. And then if you have some green onions actually go great with this dish if you want to top it off with green onions, but I don't have any on hand, so today I'm not going to be using that. So this is the final look of the garlic noodles. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.